channel, Baking and Buttercream. Today we're decorating sugar cookies to a Christmas theme. So, let's take a break and bake. Do you guys hear the music? I have different music picked out so the music will be Christmas themed. Okay, so let's get back to the sugar cookies. Sugar cookies are such a classic dessert. Everyone makes them and decorates them for all the different holidays. Christmas, Easter, 4th of July, Thanksgiving. You can do whatever with sugar cookies and decorate them in so many ways. So today, I'm showing you guys a couple different ways to decorate your sugar cookies with a Christmas theme so that when you take them over to your neighbor's house that they will know that you have the baking skills and will then come running to your door to have dinner with you on Christmas Day. You might not like that, but they'll probably do it anyways if you followed these tutorials on how to decorate sugar cookies. For decoration, you need sugar cookies, marshmallows, green buttercream, red buttercream, black buttercream, and yellow buttercream. Finally, you need some holly jolly sprinkles. The tips you'll need are, for the green buttercream, you need a large star tip. For the red buttercream, you need a medium-sized circle tip. For the black buttercream, you need small circle piping tip. And for the yellow buttercream, you need a super small circle piping tip. The first cookie that we're gonna make out of the two that I'm showing you today is a Santa Belly cookie. So the first step to making these Santa Belly cookies, you're gonna take a marshmallow and roll it out just a little bit, just enough to where it's kind of flat. Make sure to take a little bit of buttercream and secure the marshmallow to the cookie so they won't slide around. Then take your red buttercream and pipe it around the marshmallow on the cookie and then smooth it out with a knife or spatula. After that, you're going to take your black buttercream and make lines across the cookie. Then you're going to take your yellow frosting and pipe a rectangle in the middle part of the belt to look like a belt buckle. Then for an extra decoration, cut 2 small pieces of marshmallows to make little buttons. Okay, so the next cookie that we're going to make is a 3-tiered sugar cookie with buttercream in between the layers, and those cookies are gonna make a Christmas tree. The first step, when you're making your cookies, you have to make 3 different sizes. You have to make a large circle, a medium circle, and a small circle. Then what you're gonna do when those are all out of the oven, you're gonna take them and take your large circle cookie and put green buttercream around the cookie on the top. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your medium-sized cookie and put it on top of that. Then you're gonna do the same thing with the buttercream and go around on the top and then put your small cookie on that. And then you're gonna finish it off with a little swirl on top of the small cookie, lifting up to make it look like a Christmas tree. Then you're gonna sprinkle it with some holly jolly Christmas sprinkles. All right guys, these both look so good, and the best part is if you eat it all, you definitely will have the Christmas spirit. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and start Christmas early this year and go ahead and start eating these. These are so good. You can use your favorite sugar cookie recipe with your favorite buttercream recipe to make deliciousness. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video of baking and buttercream. I'm so glad I was able to make these delicious sugar cookie tutorials for you guys. These cookies are relatively simple to make, and there's no problem if you mess up, because either way, a good cookie is a good cookie no matter how it looks. Make sure to check the description box like always. I have my store links there where you can get my piping bags, the tips, and the cookie cutters I used in this video, or you can just go to my website and just check it out. There's a way for you to contact me if you want to get to know more about me or whatever down there as well. There's also my social medias down there. Go check that out. I make a post there every Wednesday when I upload and every Saturday just so you can stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. I'm glad that our baking and buttercream family is always growing, so make sure to share this with your friends as well. Comment on this video and make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Okay, check out these 2 videos right here. This one YouTube thinks you'll really enjoy. I think you'll enjoy this one as well. Click this little icon right over here with my Baking and Buttercream logo. Click it and hit subscribe. All right guys, have a great day and Merry Christmas.